What's up, guys? So today is Friday, best day of the week. We all know that. Me and my girl are gonna actually bring my old daily, and if you guys don't know, that's my new daily right there. I know, guys, it's a grandma car. It's an Avalon. If you guys don't know that, and then my old daily was. Let me show you guys. Super sunny. You guys probably can't see me. This right here. This was my old daily. I'm actually gonna be working on it. I don't know when, but I'm gonna do some work to it. And this thing is pretty beat up, to be honest with you. Look at all my mess. It's like embarrassing. It's full of just trash everywhere. The trunk is the same way. This was my car for work pretty much, and I just worked out of this car and I did everything. So yeah. Oh, I found this for the R6 because the knob on the back seat broke. Well, I don't have back seats anymore, but the knob thing had broken, and I took that from the junkyard. But yeah, and if you guys didn't see my other video, this is what happened. I don't know if you guys saw that. I just showed you, but my exhaust broke. Actually, we're about to leave right now. My girl's gonna follow me. See if you guys can see me. My girl's gonna follow me to my dad's place, and we're gonna leave the car there. Let me just drive, because then she's gonna be like, what the hell? And my car's like stuck. I haven't driven this car in forever, so I think the e-brake is like stuck. I can't go anywhere. All right, so I got the car going. I think the e-brake was just seized in, or I don't know. And then when I brake, the brakes aren't working very well either, so I don't know, whatever. Hold on, I gotta stop and put some gas real quick. So yeah, like I was saying, I've had this car for like 4 years. I just stopped right here at the gas station real quick. Gas is $2.71. Hold on, let me show you guys what the prices are in Massachusetts. And I don't remember what state, but someone had mentioned it was like $4 somewhere for like premium or whatever it was. So that's pretty crazy too. So I can't really complain. So like I was saying, I've had this car for like 4 years, and yeah, I just ended up getting another daily. So the exhaust braking was like the final straw. I was like, that's enough, you know. But actually, none of the windows go down. Like that window don't go down. That one, AC works. I don't know how, but it still works. I just ended up having like issue after issue after issue, and yeah, just figured it was time to get another car. There's this guy over here watching me. I kind of want to record him because he wants to watch me vlog, so he's probably wondering what the hell I'm doing. It's another thing with vlogging, like you'll have people just randomly staring at you, like wondering what the hell you're talking about, which is like the best part anyways. They don't know what you're vlogging or what your YouTube is, anything. So let me put like 10 bucks in this thing, since I'm not going to be driving it for a while. Once I do that, I'll get back to you guys. We'll figure out what we're going to do with this car. All right, so it's going to be a little harder for me to vlog and drive because this car is not auto, and the drone is super annoying. So when I do start working on this car, right, my goals right off the bat are to fix the windows. Actually, I gotta get a driver's side door because there's a big ass rust hole in it, and then I can fix the windows and fix the exhaust, and then after that we could tackle the paint. So I want to redo all the paint on the outside, and that'll give us some practice for like the future also. So I'm gonna end up painting it all myself. I don't know about the body work. I probably need some help with that because I'm just not experienced in that. I could probably do the paint though. And don't get it twisted, this car still drives really good. Like there's really nothing wrong with it other than the exhaust, the windows, and then everything else like suspension, you know, inner, outer tie rods. I put a new radiator, new tires. I got an alignment. What else did I do? New brake pads, new rotors. I even did the little small cylinders on the drum brakes. I fixed some of the brake lines because they're all rusted. Actually, underneath, I took a look and a lot of them are rusted. I pretty much got to redo all the brake lines, which isn't a hard thing to do anyways. But I got to redo them if I want to have like a safe, reliable car. I think this might be one of the most reliable cars in my opinion. I haven't had any issues with this car either. I haven't had issues with idling, nothing with the motor. Other than that, I filled this car up with 25 bucks and I drove it to work every day for like 3 to 4 years. I'm gonna keep driving. We're gonna get over there and I'll give you guys a closer look of the car, and then maybe you guys can help me decide what we should do with this car. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, all right? Now it's crazy windy, so I'm sorry if you guys hear all this wind, but show you guys what I'm working with here. So what do you guys think we should do to this car? Oh, let me show you the rust. That's pretty bad. I probably shouldn't do this, but yeah, this door is no good. Thought it was my driver's side. It's actually my passenger. Clear coat's coming off. Probably all over the car over here. There's a dent right here. It's pretty bad. That might have been me. This door is really good. Actually, the bottom's bad. Yeah, I don't know if I need 2 doors. The top, this part right here is good. Just the bottom right here is pretty bad. Clear coat's all gone. Yeah, it's pretty bad shape. So yeah, leave your comments down below, guys. What do you think we should do to this car? Other than paint and like maintenance stuff, but you know, what do you think? Should we put a K20 in here? Should we do like a eBay type of budget build and put like a turbo in this thing? I don't know, just something real cheap, or should we I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave your comments down below, let me know. I just got here to the garage and I think I'm actually gonna bring the car out and drive it this weekend. Today I'm gonna wash the car, put the side skirts back on. Lately I just been driving a car like that without the side skirts. Just I don't know why. But before I leave, I definitely want to wash the car. It's super dirty, and possibly get the thing, well, I'm gonna see if I could buff the car or have my dad do it real quick. I did see some swirl marks from when he kind of just like buffed it real quick last time. I don't know why he did it. He just, I don't know, he saw the car dirty, so he kind of just wiped it down and then buffed it, and then that caused a bunch of swirl marks. My car had 0 swirl marks for like 5 or 6 years, so I don't know why he did that, but we're gonna go ahead and correct that today. Hopefully fix that. One other thing I gotta do, I gotta get the car inspected. I think it expires tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 31st, so I'm gonna try and do that tomorrow morning if I can get the car out of here. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste any more time talking. I'm gonna get to that because I gotta be out of here in like 2.5 hours. I gotta be out of here, so let's go do that real quick. Alright, so the car's all washed up. I'm actually just waiting for my my dad to finish it up. I actually had some overspray from when I painted the hatch inside, or whatever, inside the car. I had some overspray on the outside, but I gotta paint the trunk and the 2 rear quarter panels anyways, so just gonna make it look good for now, just so I could drive it around. The car actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was, but with black cars, man, you could detail them, wash them, do whatever inside, right? And then once you bring it outside into the sun, or any dark car at that, but especially black cars, you bring them outside and then you could see every swirl mark or just everything on it. So just gotta pretty much take some time out and do it the right way. And I could probably detail this car myself, but it'll just take me twice as long, and my dad does this every single day, so he'll get it done just really fast anyways. So let's just go inside and see what's up. I'll show you guys kind of what he's doing. Alright, so I was here longer than I actually wanted to. It took me about 5 hours. Now I only wanted to be here like 2 hours. But Bemo, my dad just stayed over there. He kept going. It's already like, let me see. It's I think my phone died. No, it's 4:41. I only wanted to be here till like 2:30. So yeah, but I just found a couple things I needed to fix, and so detailing the car didn't take long at all. I mean, two of us doing it, we got it done in like, I don't know, half hour, maybe 45 minutes. What took the longest was when I got my alignment. They didn't tighten the nut that's on the tie rod that locks it in place, the alignment. So I had to take both front wheels off and actually tighten that, and then I don't know how to put that back. And then putting on the side skirts took me a little bit because I couldn't find the screws that goes underneath the side skirt. So yeah, long story short, that took me like an extra 2 hours, but I'm finally done. Actually, let me show you guys how everything came out. Maybe you guys can see it. I think there's too much sunlight outside. I gotta get like one of them filters for my cameras. But yeah, this thing came out really nice. No more swirl marks or anything like that. Only thing I gotta do, and I already told you guys like a million times if you guys been watching the channel, the back quarter panel I gotta get painted. Then you got these right here from like where the wing used to be, or the deck lid or whatever. Same thing on this side. I think like 3 or 4 years ago I had some guy do it for me, and then maybe last winter it kind of just broke through, so that's all messed up, but that's not a big deal. That's pretty easy to fix. Over here though is where it's really bad. I'm actually gonna get some touch-up paint for now, but I ended up rolling my fenders again on this side, and that ended up chipping right there, and then right here kind of just all came apart. So a little bit right here too. Yep, so I got to get that fixed. I already kind of showed you guys already. My lips, I painted those like 4 times already. I got to paint them again because my car used to be super low and they would always crack and stuff, and this one's cracked right here. So I've repaired these side skirts a bunch of times. I painted this the rear A-spec lip, whatever you want to call it, bumper lip, whatever. And then my front Mugen one, I think this one cracked a while back as well, because my car was, I'm talking, it was low, but I fixed this one pretty good. This one's not bad. On this side, this skirt isn't too bad, but I do have a small crack, I think like over here somewhere. I don't remember where. I don't know, but I gotta paint that again. I'll probably just do that myself. Alright, so I'm kind of tired, so let's get out of here. Kind of tired, let's get out of here. And I didn't even clean the inside. I didn't have a chance. Either way, it's gonna get dusty and stuff, so I don't know, I don't really care about that. I do have my GoPro, but I forgot the SD card, so I can't really show you guys me driving back home or whatever. And oh yeah, inspection, I'm gonna try for that tomorrow. I gotta pretty much message the guy and tell him I'm heading over there so that he knows ahead of time and not do any funny stuff and fail me because he forgets it's me or something. So what's up? So I ended up not filming for a couple days. I got home. Look at this guy. Look at that. A black squirrel. So anyways, I got home that day. It was a long day. I think we buffed the car, we did all that, and then I had to take the front wheels off. Oh, also the latch on my hood didn't want to close, so I spent like, I don't know, 20-30 minutes doing that. It was kind of just a long day, so I kind of just left the vlog alone when I got here. So yeah, I got back home. I didn't really film an outro or close the video out, so I kind of wanted to just do that now. And I know this video is kind of simple and kind of short. I didn't really show you guys much, and sometimes they're not all gonna be the best, you know. I just try to bring you guys along on everything I do. But I want to thank everybody that made it to the end of the video. Like, subscribe, do all that other stuff. And I got quite a few new subscribers, so thank you everybody that subscribed so far. And I'm about to start filming this next video, guys, right now as we're speaking. I just wanted to close this one out, but this next video, I'm gonna do a nice little walk around for you guys of my car. So tune in for that one on my next vlog update or whatever it is. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one, all right?